Good morning, everyone. On my way to work. Neither of the girls have school today. It's started their Thanksgiving break, so just thought I'd tell you a little something. Right now it's hunting season around here, and for any of you hunters out there, I was just gonna let you know I got a buck last night. But I don't hunt. I got it with the truck. It jumped out in front of me, and luckily, as you can see, I still have my plow on, so it didn't do any damage to the vehicle at all. But it was still alive, but I'm pretty sure broken legs. But nothing really I can do about it. Oh, look, here's some turkeys. But it was crawling off into the woods. My brother does hunt. Maybe I'll tell him about it, but I don't think it was private property that it was crawling onto, so it's not like I don't know how it works. But anyway, here's a picture of it I got after it crawled into the woods just a little bit. It's blurry, not a great photo, but anyway, here it is. Okay, as you can see, it's not a very big one. I think it was just a spike horn. It might have had a couple branches just starting on it, but I don't think so. So it was a pretty young buck, but anyway, it's one of those unfortunate things about living around here. I've lost count of the number of deer I've hit over the years. It's just one of those things. I know I've hit, that's number 3 with this truck, so often they don't, I've been lucky. I haven't, that one obviously I had the plow on. I hit one 2 years ago, and it kind of bent the front bumper just a little bit, not too bad. But I had one that jumped right into the side of the truck, and that one broke the window and the mirror and put some dents down the side of the truck, and that had to get repaired. That went to the body shop and got all fixed. And then, like I said, I've lost count. I had another car that I hit 2 or 3 with, thousands of dollars in damage each time. Clarissa hit, we had a Jeep Liberty. She hit 2 deer at the same time with that one and spun around and did, I think it was like almost $6,500 in damage. Every side of the Jeep was damaged. I don't know how it happened, but like I think she hit but like swerved at the same time and spun, and that's how she hit the other deer, and like it just I don't really know. But anyway, like I said, that's one of those things about living around here.
Good morning. So the girls are playing downstairs, and yeah, it is snowing, and it's so pretty. It's like really fluffy snow. It's so beautiful. So pretty. But yeah, I have some things I need to do. I need to make my bread dough for Thanksgiving and make a list so I can go get all the stuff that we need for Charlie's birthday party. So we'll be getting that today. But yeah, look at the pretty snow we're getting. We're getting quite a bit of snow. Crazy. So pretty though.
Good morning.
Okay, so Charlie got this cool craft for her birthday.
Well, Audrey gave it for me at dance.
Yep, for your birthday, right?
Yeah.
And Sam and Charlie are going to do it right now.
So
Show me what it is. It's a crystal masterpiece. And you have to follow instructions or it won't come out the way it's supposed to, okay?
Can you open I'm here to help.
So it's stickers and there's a number thing, so they follow the number thing and put all the stickers on the little
Can you
picture.
open it?
Okay, the girls are all finished with their little thing. That was so cute. You guys did such a good job.
And we get to hang it up right here.
Yeah. That is so cute. So sparkly.
And we can like draw on the back.
Yeah, I guess.
Let me see.
Super cute.
Can I see Charlie? Yeah.
Very nice and so sparkly.
Wow.
Wow.
I did Rainbow Dash and Fluttershy. Charlie did the background. And she did the hair. And she did these.
Cool. Good job.
The background was staying on there.
She means the frame part.
And then the frame part.
Very nice. Good job. So I am going to throw together the bread dough for the bread for Thanksgiving. So that's what I'm working on now. So Daddy came home, we had dinner, and now we're heading out to get a few things that we needed. Yay!
And now we're going to the store.
Yep.
And it's late.
It's bedtime right now,
It's
but
past
that's
our
okay.
bedtime.
That's why Walmart is open 24 hours. Right? Yay! Okay, that's where we're off to. Look at the pretty Christmas lights. They're so pretty, aren't they?
There's a Christmas tree over there.
Oh. Okay, so I think we got all the stuff that we needed, and all 3 kids are asleep. Crazy. Yeah. So, and it actually wasn't that busy.